Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the radiator fan, also known as cooling fan, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuses relays control them on GMC Terrain, that generation from year 2010 to 2017. Quick advice, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. Don't buy a new radiator fan, it could be quite expensive and it could be quite simple fix as well. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Now, let's start on it. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the radiator fan, guys, also known as cooling fan, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do here, we need to open the hood, guys. Facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side. Next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip and a clip there. When you open that cover, you're going to find, guys, a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check multiple fuses and relays, up to 5 of them. You may have all or some of them depending on the year, model and engine you have. The first one that you may need to check is fuse number 1 right here. Very important fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 2. These 2 fuses are the main fuses, guys. After that, the relays, you may have 3 different options. You may have relay 58, check that one. Okay, this is one of them. Then we're talking about, guys, okay, 58, 69 you may have right here, okay, and relay 60 will be underneath. Depending on the model and the year, you may have these relays too, but if not, you just check these 3 right here. Now, if you still have problems with the radiator fan not working, we have a video on the channel that explains why radiator fan does not work or why radiator fan stays on all the time, because that could happen too. It could be quite simple fix. Check out the video, will be on our channel, guys. So, guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.